So magandang araw kabola. Sa video nito kabola, pag-uusapan natin ang isang pronouncement ni Coach Chot Reyes patungkol po sa kanilang isang superstar kabola dati. And then of course pag-uusapan natin yung pool ng Gilas for this window and an interesting comment by a fan. So hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button kabola. So let's start na nga po, balik rin natin dito kasi may very interesting talaga po na trade suggestion kasi yung isang fan eh. So start natin with the column kabola by Homer Sison nga, revealing that Coach Chot Reyes told him kabola that TNT is now ready to trade Mikey Williams kabola. So I think what happened is simple lang naman, di ba? Napatunayan nila kabola that they are capable of winning a championship even without him kabola, dahil napatunayan nila na capable naman sila manalo po ng championship kahit wala siya kabola. Yan, willing na silang i-give up siya. At the very least kabola, may makukuha silang kapalit. Kumbaga nagiging wise lang sila, diba? Capable naman pala silang mag-champion eh. So they can now trade Mikey Williams kabola to get something in return kaysa naman po wala silang makuha forever eh. Mukhang ayaw naman na niya talagang lumaro po sa kanila kabola. Pero sabi ni Coach Chot Reyes dito, hindi dahil po sa ganun po yung current sitwasyon ngayon kabola, na ayaw po lumaro sa kanila ni Mikey kabola, is madali na lang po nilang ibibigay so si Mikey Williams. Kasi remember po, ang rights nila kay Mikey Williams is for perpetuity kabola. Ibig sabihin, never ending yan kabola, diba? Kahit mag 50 years old pa si Mikey, hindi po yan malalaslas yung rights po nila dito kay Mikey Williams kabola. Now the interesting thing here is Snow Badwa revealed in one of his Roses podcast kabola na willing na sila give up si Mikey kahit 3rd round pick lang daw yung kapalit during the draft ng 2024 kabola. So what happened, diba? What happened? O baka naman siguro na wizard lang po ni Snow Badwa, baka naman hindi lang 3rd round pick, baka may kasapa pa rin naman kabola or something. Pero overall kabola, if Mikey Williams is really willing to return and if he will not really ask for that, of course, to the moon na type po ng salary, dapat lang kabola na yung ibang teams kabola ay maging interesado to get him. Remember, this guy has proven kabola not once but twice that he can lead them to a championship kabola. So ganun po ka galing ang isang Mikey Williams, although nandun na rin siya sa edad kabola na we can expect him now po to regress. Now 15-man pool po ng Gilas nilabas na. I think ito yung usual na 15 if I'm not mistaken, walang nadagdag, no? Aguilar, Amos, Brownlee, Edu, Pardo, Kwame, Malonzo, Newsam, Oftana, Perez, Kiambao, Ramos, Soto, Tamayo, Thompson kabola. So overall, of course, ang ganda lang talaga dito sa lineup na to kasi wala tayong masyadong issue po in terms of height kabola. Pero of course, Coach Chot will need to remove 3 names in each match kabola. Mamimili po siya dyan. Hindi ako magugulat kung of course isa lang po yung laruan ni Brownlee dyan kabola. And then some of them, baka si Kiambao, knowing po yun na naglalaro po sila ngayon sa UAP, baka ito yung medyo tagilid kabola na makasali. Other than them kabola, I expect this to have a very good showing kabola. This is a good pull kabola by Gilas. Now dito lang tayo sa comments ng mga fans. Anthony Lucky Alon, sana po SMB naman na mag-champion. Big na imports kabola, parang sabi niya ang gusto niyang makita po na import po ng kanyang favorite team kabola kung pwede is malaki. Ronald Berbusidad, pa-shout out. Puser Malyari Mascareñas, pa-shout out naman Idol Malyari Mascareñas, thank you so much. Sabi niya po, Idol, mas sinabi ko sa iyo about SME, gagalaw na sila itong week na darating, to be honest, itong week. So sige, hintayin natin yan, no? Sir Malyari, kung mangyayari na. Danilo Pedida, Magnolia lang ang kinakawawa ng SMC kabola. Especially now na matagal na po silang hindi nag-champion, back-to-back tournament, di po sila champion kabola, walang taga-SMC nag-champion. And then ito na po interesting comments from Juan Carlosa. TNT receive Cedric, Blackwater receive Winston and a first round pick, and Converge receive Mikey Williams kabola. Basically, anong give up dito ng TNT? Si Mikey Williams. So basically, in-exchange nila si Mikey for Cedric Bearfield. That's interesting. I think that is a good decision for them. Blackwater naman, they give up Bearfield, they will get also a solid, parang dito, so tingin ko dito parang yung Blackwater yung medyo medyo solid, kumbaga kung sa trade value lang siguro mo titignan, sila yung medyo klaro kahit paano na umangat. Winston to Bearfield, I do not think na katumbas po yan ng isang late first round pick yung difference because of the age factor na din. Then Converge will get Mikey Williams. Dito medyo tagilid ako. Kasi I'm really high on Winston, kabone. So yun siguro yung rason, kabone. I'm really high on Winston. So medyo tagilid ako kay Converge. Pero overall, pag tinitingnan mo siguro, sabi mo okay na to, kabone. Pero sa akin, medyo tagilid yan for Converge. And I think Blackwater yung obvious na angat. Kabone, sa pre-game, okay ba tayong trade na to? Kami lang po sa baba.